Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Basket To Swizzle Walkaround. Now obviously you need to know how to do a basket, you need to know how to do a swizzle, but actually the thing you really need to know is how to do a Basket Walkaround. As long as you've got a Basket Walkaround and a swizzle in your repertoire, you're going to be set up for this. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, and 4. Takes us all the way through. Now, this is not a great move for confined spaces because you feel like you're going to go off in any direction. The speed you do it will change which direction you end up going off. So it's one of those ones that actually if you've got lots of space, it's easy. If you're trying to do it in amongst confined objects, it's going to be a lot harder. So let's break it down. And if you don't end up lined up with us, that's probably fine. So we go back. Starts just like a basket walk around. So we go 2 hands, we go wrap, guys walk into it, and we go walk for 1 and walk for 2. In freestyle, how many walks you do is up to you. I'm just doing 2 for each of the walks here. Now I'm going to let go with the left hand, keep turning right, pull with the right hand, rolling the lady out, avoiding the arm but not letting go. And what's going to happen is that hand is going to go down, and in the same time as it goes down I'm going to switch to my left hand. That going down allows it to fold up behind the lady's back and doesn't stop her from continuing to rotate. I'm going to dodge the arm again, and as the arm comes through and the lady decides to extend her line and make everything look nice, I'm going to step in on the right hand side, pop my right hand onto the lady's left shoulder. Okay, so now we're in a good position to walk around again, but in the other direction. We went round to the right, now we're going to go round to the left. So we're going to walk the lady forwards, walk the guys forwards, walk for 1 and walk for 2. Which direction you end up, don't worry too much. Little push with the right hand on the shoulder starts the lady turning to her left. Then, as she comes around, we're going to flick that hand away. So guys, if you actually start turning to your right, so you're starting to feel like you've got your back to the lady, and flick the hand to your left at that point, lady's going to go round again, you keep going round. Guys have only got half a turn to go at that point, so they should make sure they get round in plenty of time to catch the lady and step back. So let's break that down one last time with numbers all the way through. So we go back 1, wrap 2, walking 3 and 4, rolling out 5, switching hands and continuing to rotate 6, arm through, pick up the shoulder 7, walking 1 and 2, little push to go round 3, and then we go spin 4 and catch 5, and that's it. So let's try it. I'll call it nice and slow. And if you're in a confined space, be ever so careful because the direction you go will change depending on how fast you go. So here we go. 5, a 6, a basket to swizzle walk around, a back, wrap, walk, walk, roll, switch, pick up the shoulder, walk, walk, push, spin, and catch. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. The bell will make sure you know every time a new video comes out, and liking and subscribing helps promote the videos and helps promote the channel, and of course will help promote dancing generally. So thank you for that. I'll pop a music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.